Hello sir, I'm Yusal Salachudo and this is the continuation of the report of Ms. Nalshi Amodia and I am the second reporter of Group 8. My topic is biodiversity loss over time. So, learning objectives. Explain the biodiversity crisis. Describe how biodiversity has changed through geological time as a result of mass extinctions. Describe the biodiversity loss associated with the Pleistocene extinction. Describe the biodiversity loss during the Holocene extinction. So, biodiversity crisis. The decline in the variety of life on Earth which can occur at the genetic species or ecosystem level. It can be a temporary or permanent decrease depending on whether the damage can be reversed. So, ug miingon ta og biodiversity crisis, isa ni siya ka-threat o banta sa atong environment o sa atong mga tao, pwede sad ni siya makaapekto sa atong vital for human survival such as clear air, tubig, or pollination of crops and etc. So why biodiversity crisis? Nganong naay biodiversity crisis? Una na diha is land use changes. For example, deforestation, urbanization, o uban pa na makadaot sa atong environment nga binuhatan sa mga tao. So, ikaduha is climate change. Katulo, pollution, and invasive species. Unsa man ning invasive species? Ang invasive species is nagdudulot ng sakit na pwedeng makapinsala sa kapaligiran, ekonomiya o kalusugan ng tao. So, nagkaroon tayo ng biodiversity crisis dahil lang din sa atin. Okay, so how to solve a biodiversity crisis? So, number 1 is buy sustainable and fair trade products. So, instead nga mo gamit ka og cellophane, you can use a eco bag para ma-maintain ang kaning dili gani paggamit sa mga basura na dili masunog. So, ma-process ang mga recycled nga materials. So, pwede ka mo kanang gamitan mo is mga eco-friendly materials. So, next is plant a trees for biodiversity. For example, sa Masara lines is well known naman jud ang Masara nga naay landslide. So, ang dapat ang buhaton ato sa mga tao or sa mga residents sa Masara is magtanom sila og mga kahoy para ma-prevent ang kining landslide. So, next is protect local habitats, create a biodiversity patch sa bakuran, and last, educate on biodiversity. So, next topic is biodiversity change through geological time. Refers to the changes in the number of species on Earth over time, which are recorded in the fossil record. These changes include mass extinctions, which are sudden and dramatic losses of biodiversity and small extinction events. So, how does biodiversity change over time? Biodiversity is affected by many Earth system process and phenomena, including evolutionary process that generate new species traits, extension, nagpapababa ng biodiversity species, interaction, especially when species ay umaasa sa ibang organism para sa pagkain, tirahan or nakipag-compete para sa pagkain, space or nesting sites. Next is the Pleistocene extension. The Pleistocene extension is one of the time lesser and relative recent one, and it's also known as the megafauna extension. It was a period of mass extinctions that occurred between 10,000 and 12,000 years ago. It was characterized by extinction of many large mammals. So the cause aning Pleistocene is still debated. Ang example na is mga large mammal. For example, mammoths. mammoths is kana tong nakaumbok kadagong murag siya elephant nga naay murag sungay diri sa ilang bungo pero nakaumbok na buto sa ibabaw ng kanilang bungo. So ang kaduha is mastodons. Kaning katong pareha sila og naong sa mammoths pero flatter head lang ang mastodons. So example ani kini mga dako ang mga mammals. So my last topic is present time extensions. The process of evolution that leads to the disappearance of a population of species. A mass extinction event caused by humans. So example is habitat loss, pollution, invasive species, overhunting and overfishing. Last is climate change. So nahitabo ra pud ni siya is tungod ra pod sa mga tao.